is the best and worst feeling in the world is doing my makeup brushes, because it has to be done at least once a week, like clean your brushes. But I have like kind of two sets, like I have two bronzing brushes, two powder brushes, so that I can wash them more regularly. I also have a hot water bottle in. I feel like I was pregnant, but I have a hot water bottle in because it is snowing outside. I need to turn that water down. So I just get some soap, my brushes, and I rub them in my hands. And you can see like the makeup coming off. I can't remember where exactly I got this little brush, but I love it so much. I think it's meant to be like a body brush for like doing like your fake tan on your body, but I use it for my foundation. Or sometimes I can set up a sponge. I just use this to kind of blend it all out. 3 weeks now. It was probably like mid-December. I cleaned my brushes and I just was doing my makeup today, and also I've been feeling like my skin looks a bit bad the last week or so, and I feel like maybe like that water's so hot and I don't know, it's so cold outside. And I don't know if it's because like my brushes are like dirty, like they need to be washed. Just use normal hand soap or like Fairy Up liquid. Just kind of whatever easy to grab, and always lie your brushes flat, because I remember I used to lie them like this. I would put them back in my pot and let them dry, but the water seeps down into the glue that holds the brushes, so that is no good, because your brushes will like fall apart quicker. Actually, one of the best brushes I've ever got was this one, and I'm pretty sure it's from Primark. That feeling of like clean brushes gives me the same feeling when you get into bed and you have like new bed covers and like fresh pajamas and you've just had a really nice bath, or you've like washed and blow dried your hair. Clean brushes is the vibe for me. It just takes so much longer to dry in winter than they do in the summer. I actually don't really use that many eyeshadow brushes on the daily, so these are the only two. One I use for contouring my nose and one I use for my eyeshadow. And I tend to use my hands if I like add a bit of glitter or a bit of highlight onto my eyes. But this is a Kira Daily brush, and I got it, I want to say, about like 9 years ago off someone in like a kit, and it has just lasted so well. But yeah, so it literally takes me like 5 minutes just to wash my brushes, and I always feel so much better after it. I'm going to continue a bit of decluttering today before I have to head into work. I picked out a lot of stuff, so I'm going to do a video on everything that I've decluttered so far, just so you can kind of see. I think I'm on like part 6 or 7 now, but it felt really good. So. But the thing, I have like clothes, and if I've decluttered out some clothes, if I put them up on Vinted, it's not really decluttered, is it? It's still like in the house. Just give the brushes a good shake. Sometimes I get like a towel and I'll swirl them on the towel, but I don't have one close by. But that's all my brushes clean and ready to go. And then my other brushes that are out there, I'm going to wash them in like 3 days, maybe when they're like all fully dry. So yeah, come back and I'm going to do some decluttering. I'm cold, that's why my hands look like that. They look way weirder in the camera than they actually do in person. I'd be concerned if I was watching me.